Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I never have enough kitchen storage bags. I go to use one and they're gone. Well, I just found some reusable kitchen storage bags from IDEATECH, and now I always have exactly what I need on hand at all times. I love it. I went with the largest multi-pack that they offer. There's 20 pieces total, so you get 8 1-gallon bags, 6 snack, and 6 sandwich bags. We're a family of 4, and I have found that this is enough bags for us during our rotation of use that I never run out. So these are made with a food-grade PEVA material. This is like a substitute for PVC. It's chlorine-free. You can freeze these bags, and then when you're done, of course, you just hand wash them with a little soap and water, put them on your drying rack, and the best part, they're ready to use again. These have a great seal, 100% leak-proof, so I don't have to worry about anything leaking in my fridge, especially if I store fruit in these and they get forgotten about. You know how sometimes like in those containers, it'll leak all over your fridge. Well, now that I put my fruits and veggies in this, I don't have to worry about any kind of mess. It'll all be contained in this bag. I love that these are gonna save me money in the long run because I no longer have to buy those disposable ones. Plus, it's just better for the environment. So if you feel like you never have enough storage bags, well, problem solved. You can use these again and again and again, and you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.